यार हमारी किधर का आ रहा है ना ये क्या आ रहा है ऐसा कुछ दिख रहा है तो ये किसी और का What to do first, drawing part or written part?
Say it once more.
What to do first, drawing part and or written part?
Written part. Written part.
Okay.
Adya, have you written sentences about the human body?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Food pipe into two pieces. Break down the two pieces. And when pipe food goes down and stuck, lungs can take oxygen and take carbon dioxide, goes to the stomach and break down the food. Respiratory is nose can smell good or bad. Brain can control the whole body. Spinal cord help us to stand, walk, running. The main part is that spinal cord makes us human.
Very good, Adya. Lots of good details. Like we breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Very good. We have we have a windpipe and a food pipe, the larynx and the pharynx. And if food goes down the windpipe, it gets stuck there, and it should never happen. But that's when you call choke. When you choke on food, it goes down the windpipe. So that is very good job. And also the stomach dissolves, like breaks down food with the acids. There's a lot of acids in the stomach that breaks down food. And yeah, very good. And we have respiratory system, and we have the brain, and the spinal cord makes us stand up straight. So very good job, Adya. Very wonderful sentences. They summarize the whole human body, like so many different parts. Very well written. Aishi, have you written any sentences about the human body?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you want to read them for us?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You want to try? You don't have. If you don't want to, it's okay. But you want to try? We can help you.
You can do.
Okay. No worries. If you want, we can come back to you next a little bit later. Shubham, have you written two sentences or a few sentences about the human body?
No, ma'am.
No worries, no worries. So then now we will take few minutes. Like, you know how Adya has summarized the whole summarized the human body. I would like you to take one human body system. So Adya has given us so many systems. So let's pick one human body system. So can everybody write about the lungs? The lungs system today we are going to write about. So I would like to hear one fact about the lungs from each one of you. So like the lungs help us breathe. Adya has mentioned the lungs. We inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. The lungs is also contraction movement. Remember, it closes and opens. It expands and comes in. Expands and comes in. So I would like everybody to write one or two sentences just about the lungs, just about the respiratory system and the lungs. Did you all understand? Give me thumbs up if you understood. Aishi, have you understand? Aishi, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. I'll give few minutes, and in the meanwhile, I will write my own sentence as well to help you out. to give you idea what to write. Once you finished, give me thumbs up. Once you finish, give me thumbs up. Okay, perfect. Adi, would you like to share with us your sentence?
If lungs can take oxygen and take out carbon dioxide, it helps us to break down the food.
Lungs help us break down the food?
Sorry.
No. It's okay. Don't worry. The stomach helps us break down the food, but lungs help us breathe, right? And what happens if we can't breathe? We won't be able to survive. We have to breathe. So we have to have the lungs, right? Yes. Very good sentence, Adya. Very good job. Okay. Anybody else have a sentence ready? If not, I can read my sentence while you write your sentence. I have written, lungs are an organ, part of the respiratory system. Lungs help us breathe. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. We are able to breathe through our nose. It goes down our windpipe and enters the lungs. So that's like a quick sentence about the lungs, just like not too much, and it's not like detailed enough, but it's still like pretty, it helps summarize what the lungs are. Aishi, have you written a sentence about the lungs? No worries, no worries. Aishi, can you tell me a little bit about the lungs?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no worries, no worries. So, Aishi, the lungs help us breathe. So, if you do you have your drawing from last class? You have your drawing, your respiratory system drawing. This is our lungs. This is our lungs. Very good. This is our lungs. Without the lungs, we will not be able to breathe, and we need to breathe to survive. So, when we breathe in to the nose. When you breathe, how do you breathe? You breathe through your nose, right? Aishi, go. You inhale and you exhale, right? Right? So we have to breathe in oxygen to the nose, and it will go down into the lungs, and then the lungs will help us breathe out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, you know what we use carbon dioxide for? You know how plants breathe? You know how do we get oxygen in the air? How does oxygen come into the air? Do any of you know?
Ma'am, Oxygen goes inside to our nose. I get up at 5 and go out for a morning walk. Where the fresh air goes to nose and
Into the lung. Very good. But you know how did air get the oxygen? How did that air get the oxygen? Do you know?
from the trees.
Yes, very good. So we get oxygen from the trees. But how? Where does the trees breathe? The trees also need to breathe, right? Trees are living. They need water. They need food. So trees also need to breathe. So trees take in carbon dioxide. So whatever we release carbon dioxide, right? Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen so that we can breathe. So we get our oxygen from trees. So if we keep cutting down trees, then yes, Shiva.
Oxygen from we breathe by the process of respiration.
Yes, very good.
Oxygen from air enters the blood and carbon dioxide leaves the blood.
Very good. Wow, superb. Yes, it does also enter the blood because to have fresh blood and have good blood, we need oxygen in our blood. It's very good. Any other sentences? That's all. And that's it. Very good, Shubham. That was a very good sentence. So, like Shubham has said, we definitely need oxygen to stay in our blood to help us keep clean. And so that's why we have the reason we need oxygen and it helps us live to breathe in and breathe out. But also, I'll continue what I was saying about the trees. The trees give us oxygen. Without trees, if they keep cutting trees, we won't have any more oxygen to breathe in and breathe out, right? So we need to keep planting trees and keep trees growing so that we can have healthy air for us. Because if we have too much pollution, then that means there's so much carbon dioxide, there's not enough oxygen. So we want to have more oxygen. So we have to keep planting lots and lots of trees to keep the air healthy, right? So that is the respiratory system. Very good job, all of you. And so now let us move on to the cardiovascular system. So we are going to go through all the systems, and I would like you all to write one sentence just to remember what we've learned about the cardiovascular system. So now in the cardiovascular system, write a little bit about the cardiovascular system, like about the heart, about the veins, about blood. How does blood move in the body? So you can write one or two sentences, and once you're finished, give me thumbs up. Okay?
Say please, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, so what I would like you all to do is to write a sentence or two about the heart, the cardiovascular system, and how the blood moves, and what else is in the cardiovascular system, like veins, and how does the circulatory system even work? So I would like you now to write a few sentences about the circulatory system. Because we've written about the respiratory system, now we're going to circulatory system, then we'll do digestive, and then nervous system. I'll also write a sentence so that we can all hear sentences.
I
Once you're finished, give me a thumbs up. Okay, while you're writing, I will share my sentence. Okay, the cardiovascular system is composed of the heart and veins, which helps carry blood. The heart pumps in a circular motion, pumping out good blood and pumping in bad blood and pumping out good blood. The heart helps clear and purify blood, which helps flow throughout the body. That is my sentence. It's very like it's not that great, but it's a little bit just a summary of the circulatory system. Once you have finished your sentence, please give me thumbs up. Okay, Shubham, would you like to share your sentence?
Cardiovascular system. Cardio is when the heart heart rate goes up. Heart pumps blood. Heart cleans circulatory movements. It is composed of heart and veins.
Very good, Shubham. Very nice. That is a perfect summary sentence. Anybody else want to share?
Thank you,
Aishi?
ma'am.
Very good job, Shubham. Unmute Aishi.
13 तारीख तक है ये स्टॉप होने का. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, body parts name.
Go ahead.
Eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, tongue, hair, ears. Shout for HAT, hand, CHND, sand, stone, leg, ears, and thank you.
Good job. Very good. That is not heart, but it is all body part. And the heart does have veins that flow throughout the body. So very good. Very good job, Ayushi. Good try. Good job. Very good. Okay. Mittal, what do you remember about the heart? Heart? What does the heart do?
Checks.
Which one?
Checks. Stomach. Gaya.
Yeah, it beats. Yeah, heart has a beat. Yes. What else?
Heart play.
Yes. What else? What else? Heart. Heart. What does it do?
Heart play. Galama.
Heart does beat and heart flows blood, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Adya, would you like to share your sentence?
Yes, Heart pumps blood to clean our body. To control our body, heart gives good blood and bad blood goes down.
Very good. Good blood and bad blood, it clarifies. Now, can we write a sentence about the nervous system? This is a very simple system. It has the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. If you can write some sentences and add details about nerves and spinal cord, I would like to hear that, because I have a lot to explain about the nerves and spinal cord and brain. So I'll also write a sentence, and I would like you all to write a sentence about the nervous system. I'll quickly be right back. I will just wash my eye. I have something in my eye. Have any of you finished your sentences?
No, this
I
one
can
is-
share. Yeah, no worries. I'll share mine. So the nervous system is composed of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Nerves help us feel, taste, smell, sense, and it helps us feel in our everyday lives. Additionally, the spinal cord helps us stand up straight and walk in our daily lives. So the nervous system is a big part of the human body and allows us to have variety of functions. Has anybody else finished? Shubham?
just a minute. I'm just
Sure.
missing.
Shubham, would you like to share yours?
Nervous system. Nervous system helps us to think and act. Brain tells our body what to do. Nervous helps us feel. Nervous carry carry messages from the brain. Spinal cord helps us move.
Very good, very good, very good. Yes, it is. Yeah, you have added so many good details. It is a good summary. Very good job, Shubham. Arishi, do you have anything about the nervous system and the brain?
Nervous system is for nurse.
Anything else, Aishi? If not, no worries. Mittal, what do you know about the nervous system? The brain, spinal cord, nerves. What do you know?
Sugar.
Not sugar. It is a brain, spinal cord. What does the brain help us do? The brain helps us think. Spinal cord helps us stand.
Spam.
What?
Wait.
Okay, no worries.
Ma'am.
Yes, okay, go ahead, Adya. Would you like to share?
Brain controls the body. Brain messages goes to brains. Get message from the brain. Gets leg and spinal cord help us stand.
Very good, very good. Yes, it has. You've included everything. Yes, helps the brain, spinal cord, and nerves is very important. Nerves help us feel. If you feel like something hot, it will help you feel hot. And if you feel something cold, it'll help you feel cold. It helps you feel like burns, or if it's really cold. So nerves are very important. Yes, very good, very good. Now our last system is our digestive system. We'll write one sentence about the digestive system and then we will end the session. Okay, so digestive system is our last system. I'll also write a sentence about the digestive system.
Yes, we have 10 minutes left with us.
Okay, no worries. So the digestive system helps us eat. There's a food we digest our food to the digestive system. It goes to our mouth and it goes to all the intestines, and the intestines help absorb nutrients, and it helps like remove waste. So very important system, digestive system.
Please reply, ma'am.
Repeat what the digestive system does. So
Okay.
digestive system has the stomach, it has the throat, the esophagus, and the mouth. And this digestive system helps us eat our food and digest our food. So first the food goes to our mouth, and the saliva and our teeth help break down the food. Then it goes to the esophagus and into the stomach. The stomach helps with the acids in the stomach, it helps break down the food. And then the material then goes to the intestines. So it goes to small intestines and the big intestines, and the intestines absorb nutrients and then release any waste that they don't need. So that's like summary of the digestive system. There's also kidneys and pancreas and gallbladder in the digestive system. And so kidneys help with purifying blood. The gallbladder helps with purifying nutrients and absorbing nutrients. And the pancreas helps maintain like a balance, maintain a normal sugar level, normal blood level. It will maintain balance in the body.
Helps digest food.
Anybody finished?
Helps digest food. Helps digest food. Digest means digest. Digest. Means break down. Break down. In the mouth, it helps its mouth. Mouth or eat, eat, chew the food, chew the food, saliva, helps digest, helps, helps, okay, helps digest, break down the food, break down the food. Intestine.
Once you finish, give me thumbs up. Aichi, have you written about the digestive system? You want to share?
Intestine. Large intestine.
No, ma'am.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Nita, have you written about digestive system? What is digestive system? What does it do?
Consonant word.
Okay, Adya, would you like to share your sentence?
Teeth and the stomach breaks down the food, goes to small intestine and large intestine. Teeth helps us chew down the break down the food, goes down to the stomach.
Very good, very good, Adya. So, if you have not finished your sentence, finish it for homework. And
Yes,
next
ma'am.
week, we will be playing a fun game and doing a summary of the human body systems. So, that will be fun and we'll be playing fun game. So, if you have any questions, you can ask right now. If not, the class will end in 1 minute. The Zoom meeting will close. So, I will see you all on Monday, and we are going to be doing some fun activities with fun drawings, and it's going to be really exciting. So I will see you all on Monday if you don't have any questions. But if you do have questions, you can ask right now. Any questions? Okay. Okay, no worries. Thank you all so much for coming today. I will see you all on Monday. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Enjoy your day. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am,